Hey guys, welcome back to my review video of the Poco Watch. I'm using it for almost 4 weeks and it could impress me with its features. Let's check it out. Here we get a nice package. Inside we face the Poco Watch, a charging cable and user manuals. You can find the detailed unboxing video in the descriptions. The Poco Watch has a rectangular shape. The body is made of polycarbonate plastic, which feels nice and smooth. We get a 1.6-inch AMOLED display. The screen resolution is 320 to 360 pixels, and we come up to 301 ppi. It's great to have an AMOLED screen here, which is more power efficient. Also, the colors are great. The power button is placed on the right. It has a good pressure and is easy to reach. I also noticed a small hole here, which I'm not sure what it is exactly. It could be a mic, but in the datasheet I didn't see built-in mic. I think this is a mystery for now. The TPU strap feels nice. You can also replace it with another supported strap if needed in some time. I tried to take it off, but it's very tricky. You need to press the release button and pull it off at the same time. I also ordered an adapter on AliExpress which allows me to use 18mm universal watch bands. I also purchased a genuine leather strap and installed it using the Poco Watch band adapter from AliExpress. On the bottom there are the heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensors. I can use the 24-hour heart rate tracking to see any abnormal activities during my daily life or fitness session. The SpO2 monitoring also records your blood oxygen levels while sleeping. You can also measure your blood oxygen levels manually if desired. Just go to the app on the watch and start your measurement. On the bottom we also face the 2-pin charging interface. Poco included a magnetic charging cable to USB-A cable. I only need to snap it on and start charging. I didn't measure how long it takes to charge. With a full charge, I reached to 10 days with app notifications, 1-minute heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and SpO2 and activities. I'm familiar with the user interface from the Redmi Watch Lite 1st Gen. I have here my menu showing all the apps, including the fitness app. I downloaded the Poco Watch app on my Poco F4 GT. The watch uses Bluetooth 5.0 for the connection. I didn't experience any disconnections. Also, the watch faces are saved on the watch itself, so you don't need to download the former watch faces again and apply. The Poco Watch features 100 plus fitness modes. I tested it while walking and it works pretty well. I only needed to activate GPS on my phone to track my path. That's a bit strange because the Poco Watch has a built-in GPS. I also had a problem with the fitness tracking. I'm going to walk with my wife and kids and I needed to drive a baby carriage. For some reason the power button gets pressed and the watch is asking me if I want to end the fitness session. So I wasn't able to find a fix for it for now, but the tracking works pretty well. Furthermore, we get here sleep monitoring. I can use it to analyze my sleep quality. It works pretty well regarding the sleep monitoring. What I really like is that the watch also uses the SpO2 sensor for sleep monitoring. That's a welcome feature. Because of it, the sleep monitoring is more accurate. I can also sleep in the day and it will be monitored too, but I cannot see the details of the nap. The sleep monitoring shows you your deep sleeping, light sleeping, and your REM sleeping. You can also see your heart rates and your blood oxygen levels. Not to forget to mention is that we can also see our stress level. It's a very useful feature if you want to analyze your stress. I noticed that I'm very stressful. I need to take off and rest to relax my body. My stress level reaches up to 80. Another feature is the music control app. I've got here the Poco Watch Pro Genshin Impact, which I am using to listen to music. I can easily change my music using the Poco Watch. Also, the camera remote is a great idea, but in my case, it doesn't work on my Poco F4 GT and the main camera. Maybe an update can fix this issue. We can also check the weather information on the Poco Watch. We've got here a widget to check the weather quickly. What I also like is the timer and alarm clock. I can set up an alarm and the Poco Watch vibrates to inform me. Sometimes I don't want to wake up, so in that case, the Poco Watch on my wrist gets me waking up. To set up the Poco Watch, you need to download the 𝗫_Fitness app from the Play Store. The app looks very modern and comes up with rectangular widgets showing us our sleep monitoring, activities and much more. If we click on a widget, we get detailed information. In this case, I'm looking up for my sleep monitor. I can see here my REM and deep sleeping, which is very important for the body to relax and rest. You can also see how much you slept. Also, naps are recorded and shown here. Of course, we can change the watch face on the app. You can download new watch faces so that it doesn't get boring. I also turned on app notifications like for Signal or WhatsApp and even for Google Pay. If my payment succeeds, my watch vibrates and receives confirmation message from my Poco F4 GT. Furthermore, we get call information. If I receive a call, I can easily mute it or deny the call. Before I grab my phone, I take a look at my Poco Watch to see the person who is calling me. If you're looking for a watch which can track your activities, sleep monitoring, and heart rate, then you're right with the Poco Watch. The 1.6-inch AMOLED display is really great for reading app messages and notifications. You get many features, including SpO2 monitoring. The user interface is simple and modern. The SoC works pretty well. The animations are smooth. In conclusion, it's a great budget fitness tracker or to say a watch with great features and a modern app, which you can download on Android and iOS platforms. So this was my review video of the Poco Watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you next time.